is the estimated cost for replacing all missing upper teeth with dental prosthetics or implants, taking into account factors such as material, procedures, and any additional treatments required.
Um, so what this follower is asking is, what is the estimated cost of replacing the upper teeth? And I'm assuming they are talking about replacing all upper teeth. And how does the cost play, or what is the difference in cost depending on the prosthetics, depending on whether they are going to need implants, or even when they are going to get implants, and depending on what material they are going to have for teeth replacement, such as it is going to be made of plastic or some other hard material, or whether any other additional treatments required. So the first thing is, if you are going to need just the teeth extracted and implants and get a regular prosthesis like a denture, you are not going to incur a lot of costs. So remove the teeth and be done with it in a regular denture. This is going to be the least expensive option. If you are going to have teeth extracted, but then you are going to need some kind of a bone grafting, either to get a denture or to get implants, then that is going to be an additional cost on the bone graft. And after you get the teeth extracted and you want to have implants, depending on whether on the implants, whether you are going to have a removable teeth or you are going to have completely fixed teeth like this, they don't come out. The cost of that is going to differ. And now, let's say whether you are going to have a completely fixed teeth. If you are going to have something like this plastic, which still doesn't come out, and it's just going to have sitting on the top of those teeth as a fixed teeth, that is going to be a slightly less expensive as opposed to what we call it as the zirconium teeth that are going to completely be as hard as a rock like this. And if you're going to have zirconium teeth on there, then the cost of this is going to differ. So what we normally recommend is talk to your dentist, and then when patients are asking, when they come to our office, and we normally say, hey, this starts from possibly like about $7,000 and up. For about $3,000 to $5,000 or up to $7,000, you can get a regular denture, or up to, it goes to about $25,000 to $30,000 per set of teeth, which will be a complete fixed implant and a complete fixed teeth made of porcelain, or like what we call it as zirconium. So the answer to your question is, it starts at maybe about $3,000 to $5,000. It goes up to about $25,000 to $30,000 for a complete set of teeth, either the top or the bottom.